Grab your hard hats. It's Christina K, and I'm back again with another model walkthrough. This is going to be the Pembroke floor plan. This is offered at the Meadows at Wilson Farms by Meritage Homes in Rock Hill, South Carolina. This is a part of the Heights series. It's a 3-story townhome unit. On this lower level, you have entrance to your 2-car garage, a full bathroom, and bedroom number 4. We're going to head on upstairs to the main level and take a peek at the kitchen, the dining, and the great room. When you land on the second level, you will find a half bathroom. If I haven't mentioned already, my name is Christina K. I'm a licensed real estate broker serving both North and South Carolina. Licensed in South Carolina with Johnson Group Partners. This community does qualify for my standard representation package, which allows you up to 1% incentive rebate on top of what the builders are offering. So be sure to click the links in my bio if you'd like to take a tour of this floor plan or any other floor plan that's offered at the the Meadows at Wilson Farms community by Meritage Homes. Let's go up to the third level of the home and take a peek at the primary suite, the loft area, bedrooms 2, bedrooms 3, and the full bathroom that those 2 bedrooms share. Heading to our right, you'll see bedrooms number 2. You'll also see bedroom number 3. The full bathroom with a shower and tub combo. And down the hallway, you will see the owner's suite. The owner's suite does come equipped with a stand-up shower and dual vanities. If you're interested in taking a peek at this floor plan or any other floor plans offered here at the Meadows at Wilson Farms, please click the links in my bios, send me a text message, or call my team. We will be happy to show you a private tour of this floor plan or any other option that's offered out here. As always, happy house hunting.